Motivewave is the platform we recommend all future traders to use inside of Ascend, and we are going to show you now how to import the charts we send out every day for Motivewave. So obviously, you can take these charts and chart out all the levels yourself, but if you want to make it easy on yourself, what you can do after you download Motivewave, come in here, download this file that's sent along with the picture. It'll go up, it'll open up a Google tab showing that you're downloading whatever the file is. Then once you have it downloaded, head into Motivewave. When you're on your CL chart, if you don't already have a bunch of tabs open like this, you can click this little drop-down folder here and click Import Analysis, or you can click this one over here. It does the same thing. So click Import Analysis. Then from there, you're going to click whatever you just downloaded, which is the CL chart. It's going to have the name where you're importing it to, which is going to be CLN. Import successful. Then you'll just go back up here, find whatever you just did, which is the CLM4-1. And you can see here, it'll pull up, this is a chart from June 11th, which was when it was posted for. But each day, you can go in, grab the new charts, import it in, and it'll have all the levels already set for you.